Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add testimonials to your store in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account for Shopify, after which you'll be greeted by this main page right here. You can get started editing your store with all the sections right here. As you can see, we have home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started. Basically, guys, to add a testimonial to your store, these are the steps we are going to want to follow. As you can see right here on the official community Shopify page, there has been a thread of somebody asking how to create a testimonial slideshow in the down theme. And here we had an answer by somebody who is a Shopify partner that told us exactly what we need to do. Basically, first we're going to open up the down theme code editor. So we're going to do that by going right here and clicking online store. So click online store, and this is going to open up this themes section where you can take a look at your theme that you're using. And if you're using the down theme or any other theme, it's going to work the same. You're going to click the three dots right here next to the theme name and click edit code. After clicking edit code, guys, as you can see, this is going to open up the code editor, and you want to create a new section named testimonial or find an existing section where you want the slider to be placed. So here we can go ahead and create a new layout or a new section right here that we're going to call testimonial. And here, guys, you want to go ahead and paste this code. So this is a pretty big code that you want to go to the official thread I have showed you, search for it on Google, find it, and paste this code that you can find right here into the option that you have created right here and apply it to your store. After applying it, it's going to add a testimonial slideshow to your page where you want to have it, and people will be able to take a look at it. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.